What's up, geeks? This is the Galaxy S10, the not so compact yet still a compact flagship. So let's find out what the differences are between that and all the other S10 series. So we saw the S10 initially. Let's zoom in and see this display here. It has that curve. It has that edge-to-edge screen, and it has very minimal bezels. As you can see at the top, there is a punch hole display just like the S10e. There is a single camera. So this is a Quad HD Super AMOLED display. Looks absolutely stunning in this One UI with this wallpaper and so on. It's a beautiful, beautiful display. Samsung has the best displays in the world, and it shows. And the build quality is not one to laugh at either. It's so good. You can see that the edges are all curved, and it's not as slippery as before. And the material that they have used for some color, I don't know what it is, but it looks really, really good. Again, one big change here with the S10 from the S9 is that there are 3 cameras at the back. Alright, so one is ultra wide angle, one is telephoto, and one is the normal angle lens. Along with it, you have the LED flash and the heart rate sensor. Now, going on to the left side, you have the Bixby button and the volume rocker. And over the right side, you have the power button instead of the fingerprint sensor like on the S10e, because it has an in-display fingerprint sensor. Let's quickly go into the settings and show you what this is like. So this is the fingerprint scanner, and it's an ultrasonic setup. It does not work like the other optical sensors. It's supposedly fast, but I'm not sure how fast it is. I'm not going to set it up on some other's phone, but you get the idea here. This is again One UI. It runs on Android 9 Pie. I am a big fan of One UI, and I think the Galaxy S10 looks absolutely brilliant. At the bottom, you have the USB-C, the 3.5mm jack, the speaker grill, and the primary microphone, just like other phones. And overall, I feel this is definitely the compact version of the S10 series flagship. I'm not sure how this is so different from the S10e, but if you want 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, and you want that edge-to-edge screen, and also some more premium features like the Quad HD display and so on, and also a triple rear camera. So all that is different from the S10e. So if you want a compact flagship level flagship, this is the Samsung Galaxy S10. The Galaxy S10 is going to sell in India for 67,000 rupees. I know it's not that cheap, but it's not that costly either. Compare it to other flagships and you'll know what I'm talking about. So this is the Galaxy S10. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Check out all the other videos of the S10 series and all the MWC coverage as well. Do let us know what you think. We'll see you in the next one.